Hi guys, it's Nunu and we are in week 8 in modules, March 25th through the 31st. Can you believe it? We're halfway through the semester. Okay, so what are we doing in week 8? We have discussion 5B. We're writing an essay about student-posed obstacles to student success and apostrophes. We have a quiz on apostrophes. As always, I want to remind you that our research paper topic is what is the cause or causes of low student success rates in the U.S., and what is the solution or solutions to this problem? And throughout the semester, we've been working on this research paper. If you need to review our workshopping the essay policy, I have a video right here, and you can review what we're doing. Okay, because we are dealing with student-posed obstacles to student success in our essay this week, I found this really great little animation on the internet, Don't Give Up. And maybe this is the secret, not only to student success, but to all success. We just don't give up on ourselves. Okay, as you know, modules is our Bible to the classroom. It contains all our class assignments, a weekly to-do list throughout the semester. We can click on modules here to get into week 8, or we can use this handy link here. I'm going to click on this link and it'll take me into week 8, and we have our discussion 5B assignment, which is the essay about student-posed obstacles to student success, and we have a quiz on apostrophes. Okay, let me remind you that next week, week 9, is spring break, and it's from Friday, March 29th through Friday, April 5th, 2019. We have no class, and I have no assignments for you. Okay, if you are missing any assignments, maybe this is a good week to go back and complete any assignments that you didn't complete. Okay, oh, and please remember there's a course evaluation here, and it's very, very helpful for me if you fill it out. So please fill it out. Okay, I'm going to click on the back arrow, which will take me back into home and our fabulous message about don't give up. Okay, let me remind you that I have Con4Zoom, which is here in the left menu, and I have office hours in General Classroom Building 210D, 12 to 2 p.m. on Mondays and Wednesdays, except for holidays. I'd love to see you if you can come visit or see me in Con4Zoom. And I'm always available in inbox. I might take a little bit longer on weekends to get to you, as I have 2 sons, 2 dogs, and 4 cats to look after, and lots of homework to grade. But don't hesitate to message me. Usually I'm able to respond to you on the weekends. And remember, you're never, ever emailing me too much, and no email is ever bothering me. I love to hear from you. So email me as many times as you need to clarify an assignment or to run something by me if you need my help. Okay, let's have a good week.